these are my Angry Bird puzzles. And the first one I got out of the bags were the Chinese says Angry Birds. And it has a fish, and instead of calling it the Mighty Eagle, it's the Mighty Dragon. And it's a pig right there. And next we have another 48 puzzle. It took us a long time to figure this out. I couldn't even figure out this four feathers. And here's a yellow bird. There's 4 pigs, and I thought of 3 because I could not see the one in the grass. It's camouflaging. So I went 1, 2, 3, and then soon I saw that pig. It says Angry Birds 2. And this is the same one, except it's a 50. It's not 48, it's 50. So it has tiny puzzle pieces, and it has a small regular pig, and a big regular pig, and a king pig. And it has nest with the eggs in it, mom bird, white bird, and the big red bird, little red bird, and yellow bird, and blue bird. So it has a lot of puzzle pieces. And next I have my new pajamas. There's nothing on the back of my shirt. On my pajama pants, I have a asteroid with tiny blue dots, and a freezing iceberg because it freezes, and I have blue bird, and then I have this bird, and it's the red bird, and then I have the bomb bird, and I have little blue things on the bottom. On this, I have the big fat pig. Remember in one of the videos I said there's a big fat green bird that was like this pig. And it has some asteroids. Those are some asteroids. This is a bubble where they go around. TNT, pig, or asteroids. And there's these little white things are stars. Regular pig, small or big, don't know which one does. And I have a big bird. Big. I keep messing up because they're both big and fat. Green. Both have holes too. Next we have helmet pig. And we the characters on this, and it said, and there's that is a planet, and it says Angry Bird Space, and the letters all green. See? And the characters I have on here are Icebird and Bluebird. I'm not at 3, but 3. And there's another helmet pig. And I got 2 of these and that one. I didn't see that one. And then I had this, the red bird again, and another bomb bird, and another ice bird. And this is so strange because it has the same thing except for the asteroids on here. These are the asteroids. So it has everything that I had on my pajama pants. I hope you liked my new stuff, and I think you will like these if you get one. And I bought a big pack. It was one big box, and it had 3 of these. I hope you loved my video, Thanks for watching. Bye.